In this video, I'm going to show you quickly an easy way to download a video from Facebook in 2020. Okay, and the most useful tip is the URL, the Facebook URL you are visiting. For example, you can enter here mbasic.facebook.com, and doesn't matter what you enter here. So when you enter this URL, you are going to navigate your feed. So in your feed, when you find the video you want to download, just simply click on it to play. It opens a new tab automatically, and just right click and save video as, and ready. Here you go.